F5 C division has got appraisal. Very soon you will be getting that letter. Credit goes to all the students, including their leaders. Of course, the CRs, kindly keep it up. Okay. Now the next thing,
Thank you.
yeah, yeah, because we got to know when we had a meeting during last week, we found that in other divisions there is some declination of attendance. But here the things are moving very right direction. And I told you there are some changes required in leadership, like Manjunath and all, who is not working. Kindly remove them from the leadership. It is my order. And whosoever is actively involved, kindly incorporate them as a leader of F5 C division, because I, being the teacher coming on regular basis in this class, and this class is not there in either certificate courses or in some participation. It is a humiliation for my name. So only those, first and foremost, still there are many students whose DP is not there, like Pooja Mane 7708. Kindly mark them absent. Nirmal 7709. Kindly take down these roll numbers, Pradnya. 7708, 7709, 7760, 7733, 7726. And who is this Priyanka Yadav, whose roll numbers is also not visible? Mark them absent. As I follow 7735, 7733, 7726. No excuse. I hope you got those roll numbers which I have stated to you all. I'm coming in this class on regular basis. I want first discipline to be maintained in F5 C division. Then other class will follow. Well, I think we have completed our vertical statement. You see, the vertical statement is very integral and very important when you are there in top level management. And any decisions which you need to take is purely depending upon not the horizontal format which we followed. Still, you must be following in financial accounting. I'm sure in financial accounting, debit credit करते रहेंगे. Yes or no? But that can be understand and understood by only you guys who have the knowledge of debit and credit. What about people who do not have an idea about it? For them, vertical statement is very important, whereby there is no debit credit. It's very crystal clear. Even people from non-commerce background can easily understand what is sales, how much cost of sales, what is administrative expenses, what is office and other operating expenses, and accordingly corrective measures to be taken. To continuation with that, we had a common size statement, and we have seen in common size statement we try to find out the size of every expenditure, if it is income statement with respect to sales, and if it is balance sheet with respect to total fund employed or capital employed. Yes, or total application of fund or total sources of fund. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
On that, I have given assignment to you all to do it, and there is no rocket science. बहुत simple है. Each amount divide by 100 into each amount divide by sales amount into 100, or each amount divide by total fund employed into 100. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Show me how many of you have done it. Roll number 1 to 5. Is there anyone who have done it? You know how I'm assessing your assignment. Just put your video mode on. Show me that put the camera on, I'll check your assignment and I'll give you the marks. If not, you will not get the marks. Very simple. So rule number 1 to 5, anyone? Okay. Rule number 6 to 10. See, try to understand, these students will never get out of 40, yeah? Those who have missed out. It's my promise to you all. I'm very particular about all this. You ask your seniors. And that is why I do always continuous evaluation. It's not at the end I'm going to check how effective my student is. Rather, on a regular basis, I will check how effective my student is. And that is what is real teaching. That is what is real learning. On regular basis, you should evaluate the student. Roll number 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20.
Sir, I have done, but I have not done the financial one. I've done this income one, income statement.
Show me that.
Yes. Oh, wait a minute. So it is visible?
Yeah.
Is it visible?
Yes, yes, it is visible.
Yeah, so this is
Next
the
page,
sum.
turn the page. Yes, next page. Very good.
Only
Wait,
so this much I have done.
wait, let me give them out. 21 to 25. Roll number 21 to 25. 26 to 30. 31 to 35. 36 to 40. 41 to 45. 46 to 50.
Sir, I have done one. Illustration 22.
Show me.
Yeah, sir.
Put your video mode on. Show me on your notebook what you have written. 49. Yes. थोड़ा कैमरा और आगे लेके जाओ परसेंटेज के पास. हाँ ठीक है. Done. 49.
And this,
Yeah, got it. So only roll number 20 and 49 till now. 49 has also shown me first assignment, but second assignment they have not shown me. Rania, can you help me when I have taken the first assignment, date of first assignment? The second
So what?
assignment, second assignment
yes, sir.
on 1st of
Sir,
Feb.
19.
First assignment when I took?
19th, sir.
19th
19.
Jan. Okay, 19th Jan. So first assignment I have took on 19th Jan. Then second assignment I took on 1st Feb. Third assignment I am taking on 8th of Feb. Dear students, these are for your reference. So 51 to 55, 56 to 60.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, show me. Your number 57. Okay. Yes, Shiva. Common size only, no? हाँ, परसेंटेज वाला कॉलम दिखाइए. ओके. पेज टर्न कीजिए बेटा. ओके, फाइन, ग्रेट. 57 done. Even 57 has shown me the first assignment as well. Great. 61 to 65. 66 to 70. Thank you. So this C division is done. Now let us go to D3. 41 to 45,
Sir, I have done.
43. Show me. Okay. Yes, it is with percentage.
First question,
Yes, yes,
and
yes.
this is second question.
Okay, okay. 43. Yes. In first assignment also 43 was there. 46 to 50. I believe 47.
Yes, sir, I have done.
47. If I'm not
Yes.
wrong. देखा नहीं पता है मुझे बेटा आप रेगुलर हो नो नीड टीचर को पता चलता है कौन सिंसियर बच्चा है 51 to 55 56 to 60 61 to 65 or rather 68 thank you so my evaluation for D division is also done thank you very much within very short span of time you have assisted me for evaluation why because majority of you have not done it let us go for next concept and you will not be able to understand because you have not done the practice. Today I am going to do the sum of missing frequency or missing details. Until unless you have a proper grip on common size, these questions will be a very tough job for you guys. Let us see how. So this is question number 25, which we are going to deal with, whereby it is given, complete the following income statement of Mr. Narayana for March 2010. Also prepare the common size statement. They have given net sales. They have not given cost of sales. They have not given gross profit, neither operating expenses. Operating net profit is given. Operating income is given. Non-operating expenses are not given. Net profit before tax is given. So how to go about it? How to go about this question? So what basically we used to see earlier, क्या होता था? They used to give us the detail. We used to convert them into vertical form and then sales 100. Compute karo, compute karo, compute karo. Yes or no? Easiest job. Yes or no? है
You're
ना?
not getting.
See, earlier the question was, which we did till the date, they used to give us all the details. There was nothing as such which was missing. Yes or no? Today the things are question mark. देता था हम लोग उसको कन्वर्ट कर देते थे सेल्स को 100 लेते थे ईच अमाउंट डिवाइड बाय सेल्स इनटू 100 करके निकाल देते थे है ना ऐसे करता था इजीली आ जाता था आंसर कोई मगजमारी नहीं ये फॉर्मेट वर्टिकल फॉर्म में डाला सेल्स को 100 लिया ईच अमाउंट डिवाइड बाय सेल्स इनटू 100 ईच अमाउंट डिवाइड बाय सेल्स इनटू 100 बहुत सिंपल होता था हाँ या ना
Yes, sir.
मेजर एप्लीकेशन ऑफ माइंड वाज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड अगर कमेंट्स पूछा तो लिख देते थे कॉस्ट ऑफ सेल्स इज 57% ऑफ सेल्स प्रॉफिट इज 45.50% ऑफ सेल्स कुछ ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेशंस नहीं होते थे क्यों क्योंकि ये सिंपल क्वेश्चंस रहते थे कॉमन साइज फाइंड आउट करने टुडे there is a complex in question why because the details are missing they are not given. So if under our logic related to common size not clear, हमने क्वेश्चन 10 प्रैक्टिस नहीं किए तो ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चन कहाँ से सॉल्व कर पाएंगे but this question is very simple. I mean, these kind of questions are also very simple. एंड मैं मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम में TY बीकॉम में ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं, बहुत सिंपल है। Pragnya, if you have the book, kindly help me out with these values, so we will do it faster. Okay. So let us go for common size. हाँ, ये ऐसा छोटा ही क्वेश्चन है ना। So this is question number 25, page number 40. चल, क्या क्या दिया है अपने को? डायरेक्ट नेट सेल्स दिया है। टेल मी यस और नो। I want these question to be done. Direct net sales, cost of sales, gross profit, क्या क्या दिया है मुझे बताते जाओ, ठीक है? नेट सेल्स दिया हुआ है।
Yes, sir.
How much it is? 16 lakhs.
Hmm.
So I will write net sales as 16 lakhs. Okay. फिर डायरेक्ट कॉस्ट ऑफ सेल्स ही दिया है, ये सारी चीजें दी नहीं है ना? डायरेक्ट कॉस्ट ऑफ सेल्स दे दिया है, कितना है बेटा?
तो कॉस्ट ऑफ सेल्स नहीं दिया है।
नहीं दिया है। ओके, नहीं दिया है तो हम नहीं लिखेंगे अभी, ठीक है? इस क्वेश्चन मार्क, क्वेश्चन मार्क, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट मार्जिन भी एक क्वेश्चन मार्क है। यस,
हाँ, yes, sir.
ओके। फिर ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस दिया है,
Question mark.
ओके। तो सेपरेट नहीं है, ये सारे हेडिंग नहीं है। यहाँ भी एक क्वेश्चन मार्क है अपने पास। फिर ऑपरेटिंग नेट प्रॉफिट
Operating expenses 2 lakh.
कितना? 2 lakhs।
हाँ,
दिस इज गिवन एज 2 lakhs। ओके फाइन। फिर क्या दिया बेटा?
non-operating income
नॉन ऑपरेटिंग इनकम कितना दिया बेटा?
1 lakh. 1 lakh.
हेडिंग नहीं है, हेडिंग उड़ा देता हूँ। 1 lakh, ठीक है। फिर
Non-operating expense
और एक चीज दिया हुआ है, टैक्स वैक्स नहीं दिया ना?
हाँ नहीं दिया।
NPVT दिया हुआ है। नॉन ऑपरेटिंग expenses, making sense? और लास्ट आइटम इज नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स। यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
लास्ट आइटम इज नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स।
2,80,000.
नॉन ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस दिया है बेटा?
नहीं, non-operating expense नहीं
अगेन
दिया।
अ क्वेश्चन मार्क। एंड व्हाट इज नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स?
2,80,000.
2,50,000
Sir, 80.
80.
हाँ.
सब ये क्वेश्चन मुझे सॉल्व करना है. Many things are in question mark. This percentage will not be applicable. One detail is given here. Gross profit is 25% on sales. 25% on sales. I will write gross margin is 25%. So 16 lakh ka 25% is how much? Thank you, Shruti. 4 lakhs. She has given me the answer. Okay? Yes or no? Samiksha also. 2947 roll numbers got me these answers. So beta, we know the 16 minus something is 4 lakh. This minus this is equal to this. Yes or no? So can't we get this value? Cost of sales aa jayega. Again, Shruti has given me the answer. I hope other students must be getting.
12 lakhs. Sir.
Yes, Shruti got me the answer. Aryan Tiwari, Samiksha. Many students started getting me the answer. Good. That means you have understood. Again, beta, net profit is not given. Sorry, operating expenses are not given, but net profit is given. Can't we get operating expenses then? Again, we will write 2 lakhs. Yes, many students started getting me the answer. Pankti Gupta, Ayushi, Pradnya, Shruti, and so on. Thank you. This value will be 2 lakhs. तो 4 लाख माइनस 2 लाख 2 लाख जो दिया हुआ था आंसर टैली हो गया अभी. अरे हाँ या ना? ऐड करेंगे 1 लाख, so it becomes 3 lakh, but final answer is 280. So what is operating expenses then? ये क्वेश्चन मार्क भी आ जाएगा मेरे को. Making sense? समीक्षा को समझ में आ गया. समीक्षा, दीपेश, सिमरन, ईशा, दिलखुश, आर्यन, श्रुति, आयुषी, थैंक यू. अभी परसेंटेज ढूंढना है, कॉमन साइज परसेंटेज है ना. वेरी सिंपल. क्या करेंगे? 12 लाख डिवाइड बाय 16 लाख इंटू 100, 75%. तो ये तो 25 दिया ही है ना. तो 2 लाख डिवाइड बाय 16 लाख. yes, 2 lakh divided by 16 lakh, 12.5%. देखो. I don't know whether it is right or wrong. Once again, Samiksha, Deepesh and all, they got me the right answer. मेरे को बहुत सिंपल लगा. Why? Because 4 लाख अगर 25 है तो उससे हाफ कर देंगे। तो ये भी तो वही आएगा, बट ये पॉजिटिव आएगा। वन लैख 6.25%। वाह, आज पूरा क्लास हमारे साथ है, वेरी गुड। आई होप नाउ यू मस्ट हैव गॉट अ ग्रिप ऑफ कॉमन साइज। 20,000 कितना आया? 1.25%। negative 1.25%। So 280 is how much? %17.5%. Aryan, Samiksha, Pradnya, everyone is getting. Done. These all are university questions. $17 आ रहा है, इन लोगों ने 11.5 लिखा रे। 280 डिवाइड बाय 16 into 100। हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स 17 आएगा। जब 2,12.5 है तो ये तो बराबर है। यू पीपल आर राइट। Let me see how much you have understood. Get me the so you have seen it's very simple once we know the common size concept, whereby either sales will be considered as 100% or total fund employed, either application of fund or sources of fund will be considered as 100%. है ना? And we literally going to calculate size of each and every expenditure we have incurred, whether it is there, if it is a common size income statement, then expenditure का percentage निकालेंगे। अगर बैलेंस शीट रहेगा तो each and every assets and liability का size निकालेंगे। Yes or no? And there are many solved and unsolved questions that you do it. And do the practice. Now let me see how much you understood. Now we have very less time, less than a minute. So I am just ending this meeting. Kindly join with the same login and password immediately. And then you'll get the break off after my lecture. Okay? अभी आपको immediately इसी login password पे join होना है. You have done it. We will do the practice. And then after my lecture, you will get a break. Okay? मेरे लेक्चर के बाद अभी ब्रेक मिलेगा।